Hello, I am Marcelo Frare. I am a FLOSS enthusiastic, member of PNLUG, Pordenone Linux User Group in Italy, and also I on the board of Odoo Italy. Today I want to show you a proposal for a two-tier structure for a repository in OCA.
Proposal for a new OCA repository model management. During this presentation, I will show you a new two-tier structure for OCA repositories, Ultimate and Public. This model addresses the current challenges of modules migration speed and enhances overall OCA repository management. Current release model limits. Odoo release cycle. Odoo release cycle releases new versions regularly, introducing new features and improvements. OCA module updates. OCA apps migration are slow, causing delays for implementations, making our image unprofessional. Poor cooperation. Some users' OCA apps seem to confuse open source with the idea that software creates itself without the need for contributions. Free software as free beer? It's time to make this clear. Resource drain from the open upgrade projects. Richard Stallman explains.
Odoo is a software diachronically trapped. Open upgrade is the only option for keeping Odoo open source.
The ongoing updating of OCM modules diverts resources from the key open upgrade project, affecting its maintenance and developments. The proposal. Introducing the two-tier repository structure, the Ultimate OCA repository and the Public OCA repository. The Ultimate OCA is a main repository for testing and validating all OCA modules. Is accessible only to OCA members as integrated CI/CD tools. It's the best place to collaborate among developers. The Public OCA repository is accessible to all users, providing an accurate selection of tested and validated modules. Accessible to anyone, enhanced compatibility assurance, improved user experience. The public repository is updated daily, but only with commits dated 6 months ago or prior. Who has access to the Ultimate repository? OCA contributor, OCA member, OCA bronze sponsor, OCA silver sponsor, OCA gold sponsor, OCA platinum sponsor. We can use the current possible subscription options in OCA. Different purposes, dedicated repository. Depending on your goals, choose the way you relate to OCA. Professionals want concrete results and are ready to contribute personally or financially to get them. Students or teachers don't need to have the latest version available to learn flows or programming. If you use OCA professionally or you are a lover, you can contribute with your time or your money, then accessing to the Ultimate repo. If you use OCA for teaching, learning, amateur, curiosity, or others' goals, you will use the public repo. Expected member growth. I expect a big increase in contributions from new people and new financial supporters. This is because OCA modules are essential for anyone who wants to use Odoo professionally. No disadvantages for people using the public repo. On the contrary, they will find advantages because the security bugs will be solved quickly and the other modules will be available faster. Existing collaborators will find new colleagues to help with the work and financial resources to support the OCA project. Benefits of the new repository model: more collaboration, more collaboration. The statistical meaning of many more members is more people ready to collaborate. More resources. Open Upgrade and the entire OCA system will have more resources to develop, maintain, and document. Faster availability. The new model ensures rapid availability of modules migration. Increase visibility. There will be more professional market presence and increased recognition, making it more visible to everyone. Technical implementation of the new repository model. Ultimate, the double repository will be implemented by creating an ultimate repository for members with real-time updates. Cron. An automatic mechanism will synchronize stable changes to the public repository after 6 months. Security. Security commits will be published in real time to ensure protection. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to hear your feedback and to work to make Odoo mightier together.
Thank you, everyone. Especially to intelligence artificial. Thanks to intelligence artificial. Okay. To the questions after. Okay. To the questions after dinner. After this talk and after dinner.
If there are questions now, we can.
Okay. Is any question of this talk? Okay.
Thank you. I'm not sure about the problem we have at the beginning. You say it's not good because the modules are late with respect to when Odoo versions are released and so on. But from my point of view, the proposal with 6 months is really arbitrary. I'm not sure 6 months is, I don't know where it comes from, these 6 months, because if you look, for instance, on Open Upgrade, version 17 is 1 year old. We have nothing today. We have a few PR, but nothing approved, nothing in. Yeah, maybe it's too little, maybe it's too much. For me, it really depends on the effort that people will put on the community, and I don't get also the link between making this two-tier approach and getting more members. For me, there is a difference between contributors and members, and I'm not sure it's not really clear for me.
Translate for me, thank you. Yes, yes. Yes. The 6 month is a proposal. All is a proposal. Is maybe 1 year or more or less is to discuss between us. The target is the professional need the last version because the fix are then in the last commit. When if a professional use Odoo, I need the last version, the last commit, and then maybe anche 1 month is sufficient. I don't know. It's okay.
But about that, I think that a lot of companies are also working on old versions. So I don't know, because I know that some companies keep the latest versions. So they not the latest, but the odd version. So they go from 10 to 12 to 14 to 16 to 7 to 18. And so I don't know if it's really it will be really important for them to get to the latest version, because if there is a 17, they just don't care. So yeah, it is like Remy said, I don't see how this will bring more contributors also with this delay. Just.
I understand. But maybe in case of a fix and bug fix for a 14 version, is the commit is now. I use the 14, but if I access to Ultimate repository, I have them now. Otherwise, I need to 1 year too late or 6 months too late. All the versions is related. Okay, the fix, the bug fix is the motive. Is the engine to move the person to subscribe the Ultimate, and the change of the layers. Quando cambiano le leggi, the laws, they change the laws, and in the 14 version, I need the change of the laws now, if I am a professional user Odoo. In this case, if I access to Ultimate, I have this release now. Otherwise, I need to wait 1 year to have them. Okay.
So if I understand correctly, your proposal, the aim is to get more money, get more members, and so more money. But it's not because you have more money, more members, that you have more contributors.
For all members of OCA, no changes. It's already just okay, because you have a membership of OCA and then access to Ultimate repository. For the contributors regularly, it's not changed. This is for the not contributors, not subscriber, non-membership of OCA, or not contributors. Okay?
I think it's a way to invite who use the software freeware without any contributors, economics or with the software, to help this system, the OCA system. So you say, if you want, if you contribute with develop or money, the association, and so all the development, you have the latest update, or you have to wait 6 months, a year, is to set this time.
Other questions? No? Okay. After the next talk, after dinner, we return here. Okay, thank you.